Want another color? Alright, hold it. Hold it, we'll put another color.
This is a pretty egg, Meg.
How about orange?
Blow on it so it dries.
Dip it in there.
Good job, Matt.
Don't drop it. Give me the blue.
You want to color the other end.
Dip it.
Yeah.
Wow, look.
Wow, Matt.
Hello.
Look at all those colors.
Napkin.
What's that? This
Alright,
one.
put it on here. Put the egg on here.
Really?
What?
Meg, you're doing a good job.
Very good job.
We're gonna do the other
Looks like
side
you did
now.
good.
You gotta get the white part.
Yep.
Green?
You're gonna break the egg.
Megan, you're doing such a good job on those eggs.
Good
Could
color.
you blow me a kiss?
Matt, you're doing a really good job.
Alright, put it here. Good job. Good job. Oh.
Pink again.
Pink again?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, man.
This one with pink or a new one?
Want to put it in the color? Can we have green?
Make
Do
one.
we have a lot of green already?
No?
I don't think it matters.
Pink you said, buddy?
Put it in here. Keep it easy.
Not too close. You gotta color it first.
Oh.
Make it a Jill and egg. Put some purple on there. There you go.
Broken, but she's better off the broken one than
Is
Matt.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Right? Color.
This.
Yeah, pink.
What you got, Megan?
Purple.
Good job. Look at that face. I can't get his face because I keep getting the egg.
What color is that? Oh!
Here's the scooper.
That's
We have
all right.
the
Need
scooper.
that.
Wait, I got it. Hold on. Hold on. Pull your picks.
I just keep snapping.
Alright, what color you want?
I don't know.
Orange?
Yeah.
Orange would be pretty.
Alright, hold your egg.
Yeah.
Orange.
Yeah, the baby on here.
Pink.
How about green?
Yeah. Wait.
Or blue?
Green's being used.
Oh, how about blue? Blue it is.
Oh!